Apple finally shrinking the notch. Hey, what is up guys, Trix is here, and Apple finally shrinking the notch according to Forbes site. And Apple shrinking the notch and place it on center of screen, and this redesign will happen in 2020, not 2019, and this iPhone will have 3 lens setup camera on the back of the device, same as iPhone 11, but the screen will change, and that iPhone will not have notch anymore like iPhone 10 or 10s or 10s Max, and it will looks like Samsung Galaxy Note 10 but with 2 lens camera setup on front. And the Apple are also bringing the Touch ID back in 2020. So thanks for watching guys, see you soon for next video, take care and peace.